If you think you're looking at just another residential construction site, you're absolutely right. But behind every visible progress lies careful planning, technical expertise, and quality execution. I am Architect Christopher Chuks, CEO of Linear Edifice Construction Limited. We don't just build structures, we deliver projects with precision, professionalism, and purpose. For your architectural design, construction, and project supervision needs, Linear Edifice Construction Limited is always ready to serve. We are your architects and developers.